So I'm just going to walk you through to the bow. Before I go up there, I want to show you that the helm, the electronics have covers on them to protect them. But as you saw in the previous video, everything is operational. We walk through the windshield right here. I've left the bow cover half on so you can get an idea that it is covered. Up on the bow, windlass, bow furling, we've got storage, foot controls for the windlass, pop-up cleats. Both sides we've got a safety handrail inside the cockpit. As you can see, we do have an outlet right there. We've got cup holders, more pop-up cleats. You're going to see up here the go light, Rain Marine Quantum right there. Boat's got the flare, forward spreader light, windshield wipers. Underneath the seats is storage, and as you can see here and here, these are filler cushions. Just to make it a little bit more comfortable, we've got some armrests. But you can see that this upholstery is in nice condition. You can see that it's got a few marks there from sunscreen, but when you take into consideration the year of the boat, the upholstery is pretty good. Same with this upholstery, it's all in pretty good condition. Once again, you know, depending on the year of the boat, depending how much you're around boats, you'll appreciate that this upholstery is pretty good. This aft seat right here, we're going to give it a scrub over the next couple of days. There is a little bit of sunscreen stain where the bottoms of the legs would be on that. But overall, this is a super sweet boat. It's a nice boat. It's going to make somebody a lot of fun. Listed by United Yacht Sales. As I said previously, the boat's located in Fort Myers, Florida. My number's around here somewhere. You can email me, you can call me. 239-707-9422. Thank you for your interest in this 2017 320 Wheelcat dual console. We appreciate it.